Hi all. So in this tutorial we're gonna look at how to push a local folder into the remote GitHub repository. So in my local machine I have a folder named code mapper. This folder I want to move it to my GitHub profile Ravindra here. Now let's look at how to do this. First, we need to make sure that we have created and added the SSH keys to our GitHub profile. So you can check that in settings and SSH GPG keys. So make sure that you have added your SSH keys here. So if you have not created the SSH keys, I will provide the command in the description. You can run the command and create the SSH key pair for your local machine. Once you have added the SSH key pair to your profile, we can go ahead and click on this plus sign and click on new repository, and you can give a name to your repository. In my case I'll name it as a code mapper. Now for the timing, let's keep it as a public repository. You can set it to private if you don't want your repository being accessed by anybody else. Now let's say create repository. Now we have successfully created our repository on the GitHub profile, but as you can see it doesn't have any file as of now. Now let's look at how we can push the files from our local folder into the profile now. So all of my files are available within this code mapper folder. So as of now it has only one file. Now so we need to select SSH and execute the command along as per the SSH commands. So we already have a folder here. This is not at GitHub Git repository. So let's create this folder as a Git repository. So in order to do that, you can execute this command git init. Since I have some few other files in my folder, I'll execute git add space dot. So now this will add all the files available within this folder as part of the repository. Now if you check git status, you can see that your file has been added and it's currently not yet committed. Now let's go ahead and commit the file. So -m post is the message, so you can give a custom message as per your requirement. Then get branch -m. Now let's add a remote origin for this. So now we can check git remote -v. We can see that our GitHub profile has been added as a remote origin for this particular repository. Now we can actually push the code. Enter your SSH key phrase in order for the verification. Now you can see it says new branch has been successfully pushed. Now if you go to your GitHub profile and if you reload the page, now you can see that file has been pushed into your GitHub profile. Thank you for watching.